Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories. Chapter 10, Shloka 19. The Blessed Lord said, Alas, now I will declare to you my divine glories, immanent in their prominence, O best of the Kurus. There is no end to the details of my extent.
Chapter 10, Shloka 19. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Hantate Kathayishyami Divyahyatma Vibhudayah Pradhanyata Kurushreshta Nastyanto Vistarasya Me.
Chapter 10, Shloka 19. Lord Krishna is very patient with Arjuna as he wonders at his incapacity to realize that which is the nearest to him, the self. Lord promises Arjuna that he will show his glories. Since he is all-pervading, the task is monumental, but since Arjuna has totally surrendered, Lord's willingness to preach till the conversion is complete is an example of his patience and sympathy. The self expresses itself through either the projection of the total mind as Ishvara or through the projection of individual mind as Jiva. Lord explains the exact identity of the self in individual beings and things, and in combination of beings and things. He is all-pervading, and therefore there is no place where he is not. So Lord says that he will only indicate such instances and examples which are more expressive of divinity and are clear than other places. Mud is all pervading in all mud pots in the universe, and it is impossible to indicate the mud essence in all the mud pots. Similarly, Lord is the essence in all the names and forms, he being the substratum for the entire world of perceptions, feelings, and thoughts. So possible to indicate in the world of plurality. Sunlight reflects equally on all objects, but the reflection is clearer in a polished surface than the dull surface. Similarly, though Lord is present everywhere, he will only indicate those examples where the divinity manifests clearest. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.